Climate change is already having an adverse effect on people's lives all across the world. If urgent action is not taken, development gains the society's most vulnerable will be reversed. These are the major cause and effect of climate change: waste burning, air pollution, waste pollution, excessive use of energy, illegal logging, overpopulation, water pollution, which has a major effect on human and the environment. Waste burning. Toxic chemicals can pollute our air by trapping heat in the atmosphere. Some pollutants such as black carbon and ozone contribute to global warming. Air pollution. Vehicle pollutants harm our health and contain greenhouse gases that cause climate change, mostly in the form of carbon dioxide, contributing to global climate change. Waste pollution. Throwing garbage all over the place causes bad odors and encourages the infestation of cockroaches, flies, and other insects. Both carbon dioxide and methane are greenhouse gases which contribute to global warming and climate change. Excessive use of energy. Your overuse will contribute to a scarcity in this energy supply and thus an increase in overall electricity costs. Providing electricity or power is a major source of air pollution and the single largest source of global warming for many countries. Illegal logging. The environmental effects of illegal logging include deforestation, the loss of biodiversity, and the emission of greenhouse gases. The deterioration of forests triggers landslide and flooding after a heavy monsoon rain. Overpopulation. More people means more demand for oil, gas, coal, and other fuels mined or drilled from below the Earth's surface that, when burned, spew amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere to trap warm air inside like a greenhouse. Water pollution. This form of water pollution or through a man-made toxic chemical or and byproducts addition may therefore generate some toxic and greenhouse gases which may subsequently contribute to global warming activities or more severe environmental threats. We should not just discover the causes and effects of climate change. We should also know the solutions to reduce it.
Waste burning, as we can observe that some individuals just burn their trash without knowing the bad effects on it. So, to avoid the bad effects that shows to us a while ago, here is the possible solutions that we could do. We should not throw our garbage just anywhere, so we should put it in a proper disposal.
The cause of climate change is the air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, or biological agent. There are many possible solutions. Some of the possible solutions to reduce the air pollution is to reduce the burning, to lessen the impact of the cars, the smoking, the using of air conditioning, and lastly, to conserve the energy. And there are also ways to help to avoid air pollution, like using walking when it's near in your house, and also you can use bike. And lastly, you can use a sikad-sikad or tricycle.
The one problem that we are having climate change is the waste pollution. As what we can see in the canals, in the surroundings, there are a lot garbage throwing. So the possible solution is to get some garbage in the canals, and also having a proper segregation for this garbage.
Possible solutions of excessive use of energy. The most common example of high energy use is turning on lights every night where you consume a lot of energy. One possible solution is to use solar panels, which reduces the amount of energy you use from the grid. Also, excessive current drawn by home appliances when left plugged in, even when turned off, it continues to consume energy. Turn them off if they are not in active use. It means making a habit of unplugging. Appliances will save energy and increase the life of your belongings.
Possible solution for illegal logging. One of the common solutions is reforestation. Planting trees plays a vital role in addressing deforestation and its impact. If done correctly, reforestation can restore damaged ecosystem, stabilize soil, support the water cycle, and slowly recover the vital ecosystem services that we rely on the resources that the forests provide for us.
Some possible solution for overpopulation. More people means more demand for oil, gas, coal, and fuels mined or drilled from below the Earth's surface that when burned spewing up carbon dioxide into the atmosphere to trap warm air inside, like a greenhouse. So some possible solution for overpopulation is to promote family planning by simply educating men and women about natural and artificial family planning. So there are different kinds of artificial methods of contraception, but I am using oral contraceptive pills, which is for me is proven safe and effective.
Possible solution of water pollution. We all know water is vital role in our living, and that one problem facing right now which called water pollution. Hence, as what we can see in lakes, rivers, and oceans are polluted because of chemicals and waste. So the possible solution for this is we must pick the waste in the bay like plastic bottles and food wrappers. Because plastics are commonly washed into the ocean and other bodies of water that can cause water pollution. By picking this waste, we can reduce the possibility of water pollution.